Hey, introduce yourself. Hey, Fonas. Oh, where do you get this one? Fonas bos.
Yes, boss.
Yeah, introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Fonas Musuma.
Musuma.
Musuma sana.
How old are you?
43 years.
43. How many wives you have? 2 wives. How many children?
16.
16. Sure, 16.
Yes.
2 wives, 16. This man is
Before, I got 3 wives.
3 wives, now 2. Oh.
Now 2.
Why are you making a lot of children? It's for the government.
Yes.